Hello everyone and welcome to the MGS version 5 tutorial series, and in this one we will be talking about the combat, adding some attacks and fights. That's what everybody wants. Anyway, let's get started with it. So I'll be using the Frank's fighting set 2 and 3. So adding those to my project. Let's see, RBVV, and the other one, RBVV. Animation Abdullah, hello man. Okay, there we are. So this is should be straightforward. If we go to this guy, actually first let me open up this and make sure that it's just a regular skeleton, and it looks like it, and it's already retargeted. Cool. So we can just delete this guy, replace it with the MGS. Let's do the same here as well. Just delete this guy. Oh, this looks a little bit different. Let's just make sure that it has this and everything on animation. Okay, but it does have the regular skeleton, so this should be fine. Save it and delete it. Delete it. Okay, here we go. Let's look for MGS. Yep, I replace it. Okay, Kingdom of the Darkness. Hello man. Save it. Now inside this we have all animation sequences. So what do we need to do now? Step forward, blah blah blah. We don't need any of that. Jump and crouch, we already have all of those. Guard, maybe get up is fine. I will get back to those, but I think we will need those. For some reason he didn't separate the in place from the root motions one. So let's actually go here, create a new folder, call it animations, and inside this let's do combat. And let's see, so I will select everything, move them to here. Oh, I forgot this guy. Also these two, which are not inside the combat. But then go in here and just type in place, and now we have all the in-place animations, and delete them. I don't want to deal with any in-place stuff. At least not for the combat. Oh. Okay. Let's delete the cinematics first. And the cinematics will say, oh, because there is a map. So let's delete the map. Frank said, oh my god. Which one is that? Wait. It is Frankenset 2, okay. Where is it? You know what, let's just open this one. And let's delete everything here. There. Let's delete. Basically, let's delete everything. Just to be sure. There we go. Save all. Cool. Now let's go back to our casino. And let's delete all the sequences. Now we can go to combat and play. Type place. Select everything and delete. I probably need to do fix redirection first. Let's see what it says. Yep. So let's do this. Fix up redirectories. Alright, now that is done. Let's go back to my combat. Select everything. Because I already typed place, so it will delete everything that is in place. Okay, delete. Should be fine, hopefully. in between episodes I will go back and remove everything that we don't need, because basically from these fighting sets we only need the fighting animations, nothing else. I don't need cinematics, maps, materials, any of that. Alright, so now we have everything we need, so let's select everything again, and this time we right click and we create anime montages. Save everything. Let's have a look. So this is a hit reaction. This is hit reaction, hit reaction, hit air. Oh nice, okay, cool. Cool. Like that. Yep, I like this one. Knockdown, boom. Yeah, cool. Then probably I also need this guy. What I can do is when he gets knocked down like that, I could also bring in the get up. Add it there. Let's see now. Boom. And he get up. Okay, so there is a problem with the location. Tough. Let's have a look. No, let's do that. Save. And now not very obvious, but it is obvious that something is happening in the bomb. Yeah, it is obvious that something is happening. So I will get back to this and try to find a fix for this issue. But my gut's telling me that what I could do is create two separate montages and add an anim notify here saying or telling that the character is knocked down. If he is knocked down, then we play this animation after. So that's a fix. So that's a, yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna do it, but let's give it a try later on. We also have this guy. Boom. So let's also give it get up. We have this guy. Let's also give it a get up. Nope. Okay. He should be getting up on his face. Let's see if there is a get up from the face. Nope, it doesn't look like it. What about here? Animations. Getting up. Yeah, there we go. And is it root motion? We put it on root motion. Save. I won't be able to find it like that way. But yeah, this is from the other one, so I will have to clean all of those first. Retarget the skeleton. Oh, I did already. Okay, cool. So let's go to combat and let's go here. Then let's go to the animations in the second set, getting up, and let's take this one and bring that one here so we can remove that. So this guy obviously is gonna look very weird here, but hopefully when we play it live it will look a little bit different. We will see. We will fix problems when we have them, but for now it doesn't look like we have a problem. What else? Let's go here. So this is a normal punch. So what we need to do is to look for the exact deal damage time, and when do we want it to finish the combo. So here where we deal the damage, and around there where we allow it to go into the combo animation. Okay. Oh, the animations they are these Frank fighting set 2 and 3. You can find them in the marketplace. So let's open our main character. Let's see, blueprint, characters, base character. This one will be responsible for all the characters. So what we will do, we go to combat, and here inside underneath the melee, like combat, melee, attacks, and we will add more attacks here, and we will just follow exactly what's happening here. The only thing is I will be adding hits animations as well. Okay, so at the moment we have the punch montage, but if we look, we also have hit animation somewhere. Maybe not here, I'm looking in the wrong place. Here, hit animation. Yeah, maybe we can add this one. So let's add this guy here. Now what we will do is we take this and duplicate it, and let's give it a different name. Let's say, what do you want to call this punch? Let's see. Actually, let me save first. Save all. So let's call it, this is a left punch. So left let's call it just left punch. And for the animations, add this one. Let's keep that hit animation. However, what we need to make sure that we change is those. So the damage, let's start with 5, and we tell it that it will deal damage around 0.14. So let's do that as well. Damage 0.14. Oh no, that's 15, but damage delay 0.14. Interrupt, this is basically where the character can go into a combo. So let's say when he takes his hand back just before he goes into the idle pose, so around 0.33, and it's a type punch. Acquired, yeah, we can leave everything else the same, I think. Yeah, we can leave everything else at the same. Okay, let's add one more and then we can test. So duplicate. We can test if the system is working just fine. We can then add everything else. So this one, it will punch around there, so that's 0.2, and the interrupt will be around 0.45. So let's add this guy, and this will be 0.2 and 0.45, and let's make the damage 10 this time. Compile and save. So if we go back to our enemies, if we look inside those guys, what we should see that they have now all the attacks. Oh, we need to change the name. Left punch. So the first one was left punch, the second one was the right punch. So let's change to right punch. Okay, now let's save. Now inside the combat we have the right punch. Okay, good. Let's double check with our characters. Let's see, Dan for example. Open this guy up. Look inside the combat and he has all the animations. Now if we play, we see that he does all the attacks. Okay, let's look at these guys. Whoa, that was quick. Wow, they kill me in a second. Alright, but at least I know that it's working. So let's continue. So we did the right punch. Let's look at this. This is an uppercut. Muhammad Ayman looks nice. Thank you, man. Thank you. Uppercut. And it's left uppercut. So let's call it left uppercut. And in the animation, let's add this. And as a hit reaction, let's see, maybe we use this one. He's looking down though. Let's keep it on that for now. And the deal damage should happen around there, which is 0.25 and interrupt around 0.6. So damage 15, 0.25 and 0.6. Compile and save. And I'm going to cheat a little bit. If I go to my all data tables, yeah, and then character classes, Anna, let's give her maybe 250 health. Dan, 75. That's why he dies very quickly. Let's give him, let's see, 300. Pixie will deal a lot of damage, so maybe we give her a little bit less health. And Will, he will have a lot of health because he's useless in combat. Okay, let's save and save all. Now that I changed those, I also need to go to wait for it to finish saving. I also need to go back to my save file, saved game, and I need to delete that. This way they will update the stats, and by doing that I also need to go back to the main menu. But regardless, we can leave those in place, and we did change that. Yep, we did. Okay, so we stopped at the uppercut. Let's see, the next is a right uppercut, and it's tough one, so maybe around here, 0.2 he does this uppercut, and around 0.7 we can go back. So this is the left uppercut. Okay, so let's duplicate this one, and it's going to be right uppercut, and for the animation we give it this one, and for the hit reaction we can actually do this. So let's take this one, put it in there, and we said 0.2. Was it 0.6? Not that one. So about there, 0.2, and yeah, 0.6 is fine. But the damage, let's give it 25. Compile and save. Let's go to the next one, which is okay, so this can start the punch around 0.5. Wow. Duplicate, and let's call it knock down. And obviously it's gonna be that one as a hit reaction. Yeah, keep it on 25 damage and 0.5, and let's see, 115, 1.15. We will tweak the distance reach as well, but for now let's keep everything simple. Let's get this right, and then we will tweak everything as we go when we solve the problem, when we have one. But for now it doesn't look like we have any problem, so let's keep going. Let's see, let's go back to the latest one, and then next 3 punches. So that's a combo by itself. Do we have a hit reaction for that? Because that can be a takedown, but I don't see any hit reaction for takedowns, so I'll leave it. What about this one? A small punch, leave it. Yeah, same as this. Okay, I'll take that one. Duplicate, and let's call it left hook. Left hook. The damage will be dealt around 0.17, and the combo can start at 0.6. 0.17 and 0.6. Let's find a hit reaction. Yeah, that's will do. Go back. A small kick, okay. Oh man, I hate these crashes. Muhammad Ayman is asking in this series explaining all the steps to make this game from the beginning because I want to start watching. Yes, Muhammad Ayman. Basically, I'm using MGS, one of my assets in the marketplace. And from the start, I explained how to import the characters and levels and all that kind of stuff. So it is from the scratch, yes. I probably have lost some work. Let's see. Okay, knockdown. Okay. So not that bad. At least we have the knockdown. Okay, good. So after the knockdown, we looked at those which we are not using, but we will use the hook. Uppercut, knockdown. So let's duplicate this guy. And let's call it left hook. Save before I lose my work again. So the damage should be dealt around here, 0.16 and 0.5 can go into combo. And 25 is a lot for this one, so let's change it and 0.16, 0.5. Compile and save. Let's look at the leg. $22. Now I would like to add it, however I don't see any hit reaction for legs. Yeah, we don't have a hit reaction for the legs, so I will come back to this when I find a hit reaction that is suitable. So let's leave it for now. I think this is the same. Yeah, let's leave this as well. What about that? Okay, we can take this one, so I'll take that. Duplicate it. It looks like right spin. Okay, right spin. So around here, 0.35 and 0.8. Let's do that quickly. 0.35 and 0.8, and the damage will be 20. Yeah, Muhammad Ayman, yes. So basically I'm not redoing everything from scratch. I'm basically using the asset and then adding everything to make the game step by step. And as for the damage, let's give it this one. I mean hit reaction. Compile and save. Let's go to the next one. Do you have combos set up where if you spam attacks you can do 3 specific attacks in a row, like a left punch, right kick combo? I do have a combo system in already in place. It doesn't do in a row. It does like a random. It picks a random attacks and it does a combo. So yes, the combo system is in place. So this, okay, 0.26 and 0.9. So let's take that guy and let's duplicate this, and in the animations let's change it. Zero 0.9 and 0.25. Zero 0.9. Yeah, let's keep it 20. And the hit reaction is also fine. Let's keep going. No, that's not a right spin, that is a right side kick or something like that. Side kick. Almost there, almost there. Let's see, the next one is boom, poof. Oh, nice. I really like it. The problem is I don't have any hit reaction to it, but it's really nice. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I probably need to build some of the hit reactions based on those, because they are combos by themselves. Double. Yeah, maybe I can take this one actually. Okay, let's try. Let's try. It's worth the try. So duplicate, and let's call it, I don't know what to call this one, but let's call it hammer. Hammer kick. Yep, why not? Hammer with the U or an A? Is it a U or an A? It's an A. Hammer kick. Change the animations, and we should get the hit reactions around there. So 0.6, and then around 1 second we can go into combo. So 0.6 and 1, and it does 30 damage. That's a lot of damage. And for this one we do this guy. Yeah, nope, not this one. This one maybe. Yep, this one. Save. Next will be the double kick. which is this one, and the hit reaction, yeah, let's do that one. And then attack skills, let's see, about there, 0.6 and 1, so we can keep those. And finally we can do the fury thing. Boom 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 boom. Let's hope that he has some. Yep, he does. Good, 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 nice. Okay, so let's take this guy. And let's duplicate this one and call it Fury Combo 1. It's a type of an attack. The animation will be this, and the reaction will be this. However, I think we need, yep, we need to start this from 0. The deal damage, instead of that, let's keep it on 0. And the delay, when can we go into combo? So after we do all of that, about there, almost at the end, so 550. And this will do 100 damage because it's a takedown. And it's not a punch, it's takedown. Oh yeah, I almost forgot that I should change the double kick. So attack skill, it's not a punch, it's a kick. Hammer, it's also a kick. Side kick, yep, I almost forgot those. It's also a kick. Right spin, which is also a kick. Left hook, it's a punch. Knockdown, it's a punch. Uppercut, uppercut, punch, punch, and another punch. Okay, save, compile. Now let's go to MGS, maps, main menu. Oh, I am in the main menu. Okay, let's play. Yeah, Kingdom of Darkness. I don't have two different buttons for two different attacks, but I do have a system for the punches, for the kicks. For each one of them is separate from the others. Muhammad Ayman, I think maybe it will be nicer to add particles, and yeah, there is also a particle system involved. Yeah, I mean, there is particles. There is some particles because the game is cartoonish, so it's fine with all the particles. So this time I will select Pixie. No, actually, let's take the guy with the highest health. I think it was Will. Yeah, Will. Let's go with Will. Because like everybody can do all the animations, all the attacks. So I need to be careful. Oh god, that's loud. Now if I go to my level, another crash. God damn it. No idea what's going on with the crashes those days. Can I go straight to here now? Yes, cool. What's going on? Why my health is 0? Why my health is not updating? Oh, I need to do... God damn it. One punch and I'm done. But why am I not getting my health back? Let's see. Delete this. And let's start over. Yeah, Unreal crashes not because of the PC, it's because something else. I'm not sure what. So I need to figure out what's going on. And also, what's happening with my health bar? Why it's not filling my health? Let's have a quick look. To see what's going on. Set to zeros. Okay, and what about player? It's also zeros. Interesting. Let's try to give it 10 seconds, and I can debug this one. So at the moment it says 0. And it's still 0. Although no details. Okay, I will have to come back to this one and debug it. Something isn't right. But get the character, get the base stats, and then add it to here. And the character stats will update. But the character stats, it's not updating because something is going wrong with this guy. So if I give this, let's say 2 seconds, let's bring this back to 3. Compile and save. He's not reading the correct character name. This is Will, but he's not reading the correct character name. Let me double check quickly. It takes it from my character data. Okay, I think I need to change the names. Let's see, where is yeah, it says green character. It should say Will. This should say instead of purple should say Pixie. Orange should say Dan. And Anna is Anna. Now compile, save all. So now if we play, I probably need to delete this save file again. And now we can go back here, put this back to 0.2 and this back to 6 seconds, compile and save, delete this save game. He's still not reading. So I will have to come back to this one to see why my health is always on 0. And that happens only when I change the meshes and change the characters and so on. So somewhere I messed up something somewhere. Not quite sure what it is. Oh. I'm sure that I don't need this, but it doesn't harm. So Will, need to go to Will, and my character from the classes will be Will. Pixie, pick Pixie. And let's change this to Pixie. Dan. I don't think that's the problem, but let's give it a try and see. And Anna. compile, save, compile and save, compile and save, compile and save, save all. Delete the save game and let's play. Yep, here we go. Finally we got it working. So now if we go to our level, start game, and we go to attack. Way, everybody is flying all over the place. Oh, he killed me. God damn it. I'm coming back to you. God damn it, man. Just die. Okay, so it's the system is working. However, I need to go back to all the animations and make sure that they are all root motions, because apparently vampire base, what's wrong with vampire base? It's pending kills. Ah, okay. Apparently not all of them are root motions, so although I chose only the one that are not in place, but still it looks like he didn't change them. Yeah, he didn't mark them as root motions. So what I need to do is go to animations, change this to animation sequences, select all of them, right click, go to asset actions, and then bulk edit via property matrix, and inside the root motion take this guy, and maybe we can change it to animation first. Save all. Now we can go straight to the casino, I think. Yep, now it's much better. Now it's a lot better. Yeah, they are killing me basically, but the system is working. Phew, that was tough. That was tough. But at least we got there. Now the next step is adding a little bit of particles and sound effects and stuff like that, which I will add in the next episode. But for now, this is done. This is complete. So the system is working. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Have a lovely day, and bye bye.